Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to attempt to install Flipgrid in Canvas. So the first thing you need to do is create a Flipgrid account and sign in to Flipgrid. So I've done that step here, and the next thing you're going to do is in the upper right corner click on the little down arrow and select Settings. Next you will select Integrations from the top row, and under Canvas you will select the blue button Add New Integration. Here you will name the integration. So for this I'm just going to put Math 101 and then select Create. And here is where you're going to get your information that you're going to need inside of Canvas. That is the consumer key and the shared secret. And I recommend copying these and pasting these to a little notepad or a Word document so you can refer to them. Or you can just leave this tab open and then click back to it as needed. So that's what I will do. I'm going to create a new tab up here and leave Flipgrid open in the other tab. And I'm going to log into Canvas. Next, you'll go into the class that you want to add Flipgrid to, and you will click on Settings at the bottom of the course navigation. From here, you'll select the Apps tab at the top, and you should see Flipgrid pop up here, and just click on Flipgrid. Then you will select Add App, and here is where you would enter that information from Flipgrid. So I'm going to go back to the tab that has my integration, click on the word copy next to the consumer key, then go back to Canvas, click inside the text field for the consumer key and paste it in there. I'll repeat this, except I'm going to copy the shared secret, go back to the Canvas course, and inside of shared secret I will paste it in there. Once I have this information pasted into Canvas, I will simply select Add App. So now that Flipgrid has been installed, I will go to the Navigations tab at the top, scroll down and look for Flipgrid in the Hidden Items list, and you can enable it by either dragging it to the top list or clicking on the three dots and selecting Enable. You'll see that Flipgrid is shown up in the upper list. I'm actually going to move it up near the top so I can get to it easier, and then I'm going to scroll down and click Save. Now you'll see Flipgrid in the course navigation on the left. I can then select Flipgrid, and here is where you can connect to Flipgrid. You can create a course group here. You can basically use Flipgrid inside of Canvas at this point. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.